walks all over the road. What's up, guys? It's Matt at Speed House. Today we got my M5, the shop builts, fully built motor. We've gone through all that. This has been a very large series throughout this car. It's blown up technically twice, and we've been doing all sorts of, you know, trial and error and R&D and stuff like that. But as Trevor and I were just sitting here talking, we realized that we don't have any exhaust clips for this. Like, aside from backing it out of the shop, that's really been about it. So when I built this the first time, we did R&D for Valvetronic on their titanium setup for the F10 and F12, and testing some differences there, which we still need to make some adjustments. I've had it on and off the car a dozen times, considering engine issues and stuff like that. But, you know, today we want to give you guys some clips. To go along with the exhaust, we did do titanium front mount intakes on it and charge pipes. I tried to keep that theme throughout the car. It is windy as crap outside today. Of course, we decided to film, but that's all right. Titanium front mount intakes, they're really loud. I've never heard them outside of it, so this is just exciting for me because I don't have any footage of my own car. I say without further ado, let's go hit it. Rip on it.
Okay. Get a quick cold start?
Should cold start. Ready?
Yeah. She's definitely loud.
We did a bunch of forged, I can't speak today. Forged carbon interior from the last time you guys saw this too.
I don't even know if I've seen this.
I don't think you have. Put it in one day when you were gone, and that was it. But the steering wheel I've had for a while, but we had a company make all the interior pieces. So I've got dash, door panels, and I'm probably done with interior stuff. The car's already nice.
Yeah, it looks good.
Except for there's one problem. I work on cars for a living. So it is next to impossible to keep this thing clean. We did ceramic coat the interior though, so that's helped a lot.
So before we do some pulls, what engine-wise is done?
Man, we've been all through this thing. So it's got Carillo rods and pistons. It has CarBahn Valve springs. Has King main bearings and rod bearings. F90 M5 high pressure fuel pumps. It's got a Spool low pressure fuel pump in the tank. Titanium front mount intakes. Titanium charge pipes. A set of VRSF heat exchangers up top. In pure turbos. So the only thing that I'm missing now is a set of clutches. So currently the car is it's on custom tune, E50 fueling while we get it dialed in. So right now it's probably 700 wheel. So my advice is, yeah, don't do that because I'm going to kill the clutches in these, and I know that. But that's fine. That's what we signed up for.
So on like a kill map, what should it make?
After clutches?
Yeah.
950. We may touch 1,000, maybe. We'd be pushing the car really hard. Clutch options, man, there's a lot out there. But I really don't want to drop 5 grand on clutches. I don't. It sounds terrible. I know Project Gamma come out with a set recently. I saw a video that I think Pure Performance did with their clutches in it, and it made like 986 horsepower or something like that. And honestly, like, that's close enough for me.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be able to get it to hook anyway.
She moves.
Not bad. Like half
What was
throttle.
that? That was half?
Yeah, probably. Maybe a little more. See? It just walks all over the road.
And to think that this isn't like somewhat turned down.
Yeah.
That's what we need to do. The first M5 drift car.
It basically is one.
Sounds so good, even in here. think you could do like a baby launch?
Probably could. Back there.
Yeah.
And about the time it wants to really pull in the boost, that stupid dips right there.
Yeah. I could see you having to just send it over it.
Yeah.
Like, ready?
Didn't know what to do.
Really?
Yeah, because it was like on in boost, out of boost, in boost, out of boost. It was breaking up. Shifted. Didn't mean to. I was gonna see what it would. I don't want to get the trans hot because it is so freaking hot outside.
Yeah, my camera gave me a heat warning.
Did it? Yeah. Much better than I thought it would.
And we're back.
Yeah, we're back. Went and had some fun with the M5. Gave you guys some clips. Hopefully you like it. Let us know what else you'd like us to show you on this car. I'm sure we got plenty left to do. Clutches will be up next. Then we'll see if we can raise the horsepower and jump on a dyno.